This abandoned school bus sat forgotten for decades. Today we're bringing it back to life.
Hidden in the forest, a relic from 1948. Its journey ended here, but a new one begins.
Check the chassis for rust.
Will do. The body is really bad here.
Use the scraper on the frame.
Got it. The welds are weak.
Hook's secure. Let's get this thing moving. All right, winch is pulling. Keep it steady now. Almost there, to the workshop. All right, bring her in slow. Copy that, steering looks solid. Guide it to the left bay. Got it, moving to support. Good, let's inspect the frame.
All right, let's get these panels off. Copy that. This one's coming loose. Watch for sparks. Need a hand with that section? Got it, panel's clear. All right, let's lift it out. Hoist up. Copy that. Watching the clearance. Steady. A little more. Clear. Hold it there. Good, holding steady.
All right, hitting the chassis now. Copy that. Watch for hidden rust. It's coming off clean. Good. We'll inspect the frame next. Look at this curve here. The alignment is perfect. Ready for the panels. Agreed. Let's move it.
Okay, lowering it in. Watch the sides.
Got it. Steady now. Aligning with the mounts. Rotate it a bit. Looks good. Securing the bolts. Perfect fit. Ready for the new panel? Yeah, got it right here. Okay, let's line it up.
Holding, drilling now.
Looks solid. Perfect fit. All right, let's get this suspension mounted. Hand me the wrench. This bolt is tight. Got it. Now for the brake caliper. All right, it's aligned. Torque it. All right, hit it. Whoa, there she goes. Look at that smoke. Perfect. Hold steady, let her idle. Let's start on the flooring. Ready? Yep. I'll get the first panel. Okay, sliding it in. Good. Line it up with the frame. Looks solid. Next one. Looks good. Keep it even on the panels. Got it. Moving down the side now. Perfect. That's an even coat. Ready for the next section?
Looks flawless. Paint's cured perfectly. Yeah, no drips or orange peel. Ready for assembly? Good. Let's get the engine bay detailed. On it.
Ready for paint? Looks flawless. Perfect gloss. A real beauty. All right, start with the trim. Got it. Trimming the window frame. Good. Mirrors and lights next. Moving to the side mirror now. Perfect. Check the alignment. Okay, let's get these electronics hooked up. Got it. Connecting the main harness now. Good. Power it up and let's see the gauges. Dashboard's online. Gauges are calibrating. Perfect. Check the laptop for errors.
All right, let's get these new seats in. You got it. Moving in. Ready at the door. Slide it in, then bolt it down. Got it. All secure.
Look at that. Navigation, backup camera, the works. It's incredible. Yeah, she came out beautifully. A perfect blends of old and new.
All right, she's ready. Open the doors. Opening them now, let's see the reveal. She runs perfectly, bringing the past back to life. A masterpiece, let's get her inside.